fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fine. So how is the weather there? Is it too cold or it's a little bit?
Yeah, it's too cold. Today
Oh,
is very cold.
okay.
It's blowing.
So we are meeting for the very first time. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shatabdi. I'm from West Bengal. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in English literature and B.Ed also. And these days I'm preparing for government competitive examination. I want to become a teacher and that's why I'm preparing. What about you,
So,
ma'am?
which is your favorite subject? In which subject do you want to teach?
Yes, I want to teach English. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in English. So I want to
Yes,
teach English.
English literature have you done?
Yes, yes.
As well as me also. English
Okay,
literature
that's great.
completed MA. So
Okay.
English was my favorite subject. So I used to learn English by heart. So it is a very famous. It is a very favorite subject for me.
Yes, yes. Actually, at the initial level, it was really difficult, but with the passing of time, I developed my interest in this subject. And now I can say that, yes, English is my favorite subject, but earlier it was not. Yeah.
So other most of the learner are learning this language. It is not a cup of tea. It is a very hard nut to crack. But if you are passionate to learn this, so easily you can. By
Definitely.
that, cards of get by art, you can imbibe and all those things. So easily we can learn.
Yes, yes. That's true.
Yeah. So now it's my turn. My name is Neha Bhardwaj. I live in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I used to run my coaching center, but after marriage, I live in a village. So I teach to my students at my home.
Oh,
Apart from my YouTube channel, my channel name is Speaking. That is,
okay. Yes, I have seen you in many videos. I have seen your videos. Yeah.
so yesterday I saw your video with Sandhya
Mhm.
ma'am. And
Oh,
Sandhya ma'am also as my teacher. Uh,
yeah. Yeah.
are also. Yeah, she's a great lady. So I
Yes.
saw her channel. So that's why I mailed to you. Yes. So I was thinking I should connect with you.
Yes. Thank you so much for mailing me. I was delighted to have a session with you. And today we are talking with you. So you have done all your works today?
I have completed all the house chores because yeah, we are a housewife. So sometimes
Yes.
it is difficult for me also. So
Yes.
right well, so I have to take care to him also. So the many problems faces in a daily life, but if we are punctual to our work, so we can do anything. But
That's
if we are procrastinate in my life, this is the problem. I can't manage all the things. So you can't do anything in your life. Struggling
yes.
is facing everyone, and
Yes, that's true.
you are facing the obstacle. So you can um, easily do anything, whatever you want.
Yes. We have to be consistent, whatever we're doing, and we have to love our work. Otherwise, it is impossible to go ahead in our life. We need to love our work. Whatever we are doing, we have to much love for that work.
All right.
Yes.
So when did you start this journey to learn this language? You face any obstacle in your life to learn this language?
Actually, it's been so many years that I have been learning this language, but it's only few months, 1.5 months, I have been speaking with others people.
Yeah, I saw your channel. I think in July you started your channel. Yeah,
Yes, yes, right, right.
I
But
want.
I didn't upload. Yes, but I didn't upload many videos that time. I was not consistent that time, and I have uploaded only 12 or some kind of videos, conversational videos that I have uploaded. Yeah. So how many sessions you are doing these days?
Nowadays, I'm not doing too much sessions. It's required only two sessions in a one day. It's required for me. But sometimes it's happened one session cancelled for many issues. So it is okay. One session is required to every day for me.
Yes.
But yeah, sometimes it's happened with me also because it is a life in life up and downs comes. So sometimes it is not possible to take the session every day. Sometimes I do get because some urgent work I have to. I have many responsibilities. So sometimes I do not. Is it okay? But I am doing consistency, so it is the main. Every time because I believe on the consistency. If you are
Yes.
consistently doing anything, so gradually you will grow in your life.
Okay.
But
Yes.
you are doing anything with a 5 days gap and 10 days gap, you are doing anything. So I think it is not good for you, and you can't improve your work. So consistency is a very good requirement.
Yes. Yes. Earlier, I used to listen to a lot of motivational speaker, and they used to say that this I have heard for the first time this word from them, but I didn't used to understand that what is consistency. But after watching the Hati Madam's video, I understood that what is called actually consistency. So that really motivates me a lot. Even each and every girls of this of our country are getting motivated by her.
Yeah, because without consistency, suppose that you are learning some vocabularies. Suppose that you imbibe one vocabulary today and you are gapping 2 or 3 days. So you will remember that vocabulary after 2 or 3 days later? No. Because when you use in a daily basis that vocabulary, get by heart and many times you use. So you can imbibe. Otherwise you will forget. So
Yes,
like that consistency is not important. Consistency is the most important thing. And suppose that you are doing something today and you are not perfect in this way. With the consistency, after 1 month later, you can see to yourself. It is a great improvement from your side.
yes, yes,
You can change your life with the help of the consistency. Consistency is the main important role of your success.
yes, yes,
Be consistent. Yes, it is a normal thing in human being. We are living our life, so many obstacles come. Everyone has many obstacles are facing, but you should hold shoulder to that obstacles and do your work consistently. So definitely, you will get the result one day, whatever
yes,
you. And advocacy also very important. If you are doing hard work with the help of the consistency also, you can easily do anything.
yes, yes. You are also an experienced person. What we cannot learn from books, we can learn from an experienced person. So you
Yes,
can teach us a lot of things that you are right now saying. These words are really important for all of us.
I'm just like you only. I'm not a big experienced person in the like you, but whatever I observe in my life, so I'm sharing with you only. Because whatever I faced a problem, so I want to that thing other person can, can't face this thing also. So I want to help to the other, so that's why I'm sharing my thoughts.
Yes, yes. And it's really helpful for all of us.
Yes, yes, thank you. So tell me about your hobbies. What is your hobby?
Yes, I like singing and reading the most because I these days I have been preparing for examinations, so I have to read my academic books a lot. So reading is my favorite, you can say. This is what I'm doing these days. I love reading books.
I also prefer to the reading books. Whenever
Yes.
I talk to Dehati ma'am also, so she
Hmm.
prefers always reading the books is a very important.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, I accept this thing, this fact because reading the books we can gain lots of the knowledge.
Yes.
Suppose like I'm talking with you and you are talking in any topic.